far beloved whosoever, written at Osho Devlok during silent time of meditation intensive. The glint of the metal chip, the glint of the metal chai cup, caught by the early morning's mist, shrouded light. The river, a mass of sparkling diamonds, cast there by the sun's rays. Early morning dew on tip of bamboo leaf, one touch and is gone. With gratitude for the precious existence of all their Lavarupa. So this is a small poetry, but this is for only beloved Gurudev. It means it is not for you. So give me back. Beloved Gurudev, Ravi is very grateful to you that you made him to receive your precious gift. He was helped, understood, and experienced through you that real never dies, unreal never lived. Real never dies in the bracket Mness. How do you know? Mness. I'm talking about Mness. But there are further where Mness also disappears. Yes, of course it does not die. Nothing dies. Nothing dies, only shape changes. Unreal never lived experiences. Every beginning has an end. Thoughts, feelings, emotion, assumptions. Thank you very much, dear. Lot of hugs and kisses. No, that I don't accept. That is for your girlfriend. Just in words, love you, it is okay, but hugs and kisses, don't start this business. Love you, double sun. Ravi Surya means double sun. Theri raza puri ho. In Karnataka, when they have to pronounce T, then they write TH, isn't it? So that is why here in theory, H is not needle. In Hindi, we don't use H. In Hindi, Sanskrit, we don't use. But in Karnataka, Sangeetha means I used to read Sangeeta, but you read it Sangeeta. Huh? Vinuta, but I read Vinutha. Thera thujko harpa. Beloved Gurudev, love and gratitude. Even though Hanji felt writing out expressing thankfulness, he always felt it less. Here you prepared and made him worthy to listen that cannot be listened, to receive that cannot be received, and to live that cannot be lived. तेरा तुझको अर्पण. It is with Z. Tuz. ever loving Gurudev. Namastu Byung. After I read this letter and comment on it, it will not be ever loving. It will be never loving. I really don't know how to begin and what to write. After writing this line, she has written one, two. I really don't know how to begin and what to write. How to begin? We should write a book. How to begin? I don't have any question also, but still I'm getting three. I am probably sharing whatsoever I am feeling. You should share with someone who wants to listen to you. We have nothing to share, but we share. What don't have, we share. I am probably sharing whatsoever I am feeling. Few days ago, maybe 3 months ago, Nirmal Das' father came. Very loving, very rich. Namaste, namaste. Charan Sparsh touch and start speaking. Now I cannot go to the bathroom. Elderly person giving so much respect. Now this respect becomes a burden on the other. This is a trick of the mind. You compel the other to listen to you, and you have nothing to give, to say, to share. But in the name of sharing, in the name of discussing, I want to discuss. Why you want to discuss? Am I ready to discuss? Discussion means we have some subject and we both are ready to discuss. No, they come and they discuss, they come and they share. Same thing is happening. I am probably sharing what now you will see what is sharing. People are filthy. They're full of junk. Then they need somebody to whom they can throw. The guru is used, the other is used as a dustbin. I really had no purpose in particular to attend the retreat. Listen very carefully. I really had no purpose in particular to attend the retreat, but yes, there was a strong inner call to be part of it. I know people are like this. That is why I wrote 3 times. Why you want to attend this 40-day meditation retreat? Three times. And when you came, my first question was this. At least you must be little alert. Otherwise, we are just like a football. Eh? Just here, there, not knowing where we are going, what is happening. For a girl like me, she calls girl. And what is a woman then? If she is a girl, what is the age of a girl? 40 years. If the lady is 40 years or even 30 years, it is called a girl. Huh? Tell me. Girl means 7 years, 8 years, 10 years, at the most 15 years. Hmm? And she is ready to become mother. She's a lady, she's not a girl. And I think she must be 35, 36. Huh? For a girl like me, who has a strong conditioned mind and upbringing, to be here itself is a blessing for you or for me or for us. I must have struggled mentally for nearly 2 months whether to move out from my so called comfort zone or not. As she is obliging me. Back home, I was comfortable and secure with my parents and satisfactory job. You can feel only comfortable if you are dead. If you are alive, even a little, you cannot be comfortable. हो जाए. Whatever, good job, security, mother, father, it means you are asleep. When you are asleep, you are comfortable. If you are uncomfortable, you cannot sleep. You are saying you are comfortable. It simply means you are asleep. You are totally unconscious. Resigning the job and convincing my parents to attend the camp needs a lot of courage for a person like me. It was like being totally insecure and uncomfortable, but I don't know how it happened. During this mental struggle, I did speak to you and shared my thoughts, which gave great relief and little clarity. I did speak to you and shared my thoughts, my thoughts. I told you from the very first day. If you want to really grow in understanding, in meditation, you are growing. But in growing, meditation is not enough. You should grow multidimensionally. If you like to grow in your understanding, and remember well, don't claim as my thoughts. See them as thought, that's all. As feeling, as emotions, as perception, but never claim as mine. If you claim, then you are burdening yourself. If you like the burden, you continue. And remember well, I did speak to you and shared my thoughts, which give great relief and little clarity. Remember well, your thoughts are not you. You may not assume the significance of what I am saying. Always remember my thoughts are not me. My feelings are not me. My understanding is not me. Only then you return to yourself. If you go on claiming as my thought, my feeling, my mind, my this, my that, then forget. But who knew that uncomfort zone would be so blissful and most comfortable than any other place in the world? That is the beauty. Whatsoever is significant in life, it happens. It happens without doing anything on your part. You cannot do anything significant as a doer. But who knew that uncomfort zone? Bodhisattva asked about insecurity. If you are ready for uncomfort, for inconvenience, nobody can bother you. Because voluntarily you have chosen. What you have chosen should be smaller than you. You should be bigger than that. So insecurity, uncomfort becomes smaller than you when you choose. When you are afraid of uncomfort, it means uncomfort is far bigger than you, like an elephant will crush you. But you don't know how big you are. Very small thing, just simple snoring and you are uncomfortable. Hmm? And when you accept you are above, you have transcended, you are bigger, isn't it? First thing, never own things like that. Second thing, violently choose them, do experiment. But who knew that uncomfort zone would be so blissful and most comfortable than any other place in the world? Thank you, Gurudev, for all this. Also, is not it miraculous for somebody like me who knows nothing about meditation and has very little heard and read Osho, and who has always been following rituals, mantra, jap, etc., to be part of this retreat and blessed with so much love. She is talking to herself actually. This I called monologue. This is not a dialogue. She is talking to herself. But because everybody has written to me, so she also should write. Why should she remain behind? Oh yeah. This is called imitation. Just for writing's sake, it comes to the mind and one imitates. This is I call imitation. Means you write if you feel like writing. There is no compulsion. There is no competition. You are not going to have a trophy and you are getting my trophy. Gurudev, I am wholeheartedly thankful to you for being so kind. I am not kind at all. Do you think I am kind? If I am kind, I will return all the money. On the contrary, I am expecting you are give the same much more. I am not a kind person, sir. See that is called buttering. Buttering is always a unconscious phenomenon. We go to the temple and butter the God. God, please. I will not eat on Mondays. And I will bring a coconut for you. All coconuts belongs to him. For being kind, generous, and loving. When she comes sometime. I sleep at 10 almost. So I watch TV 1 hour, 2 hours. So sometimes she also comes and sits. But I never look at her. So how I am generous and kind. But she is persuading me slowly, slowly. Hmm? that I should not be so hard and loving. What is loving? I even don't look. Oh, yeah. I fail to express my gratitude, but I would only say, Guru Govind dono khade, कहाँ है गोविंद? बलिहारी गुरु आपकी गोवंदियो दिखाए. कहाँ दिखाया मैंने? अभी तुमने मेरे को ही नहीं देखा. हैं? This is a one couplet from Kabir's poetry. Means God is there and Guru is there. To whom, to whom, whose feet I should touch. The Kabir is saying that Guru is standing there and the God is standing there. So I am confused. Whose feet should I go and touch? Then the Kabir, touches Guru's feet first because Guru has shown the God. Okay. Now she's telling, Guru Govind दोनों खड़े. मेरे को तो कहीं गोविंद दिखाई पड़ता नहीं है मेरे को, और गुरु तुम मेरे को कह रहे हो, है ना? मैं ही गुरु हूं ना? नहीं, मैं तो बैठा हूं, खड़ा कहाँ हूं? That is why I call it, this is junk, gibberish. You don't know what you are saying, what you are talking, and you are sharing. You call it sharing. He is very happy today. Today Harshit is चांदी हो गई. गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े, किसे लगू पाई. बलिहारी गुरु आपकी गोविंदियो दिखाई. I was always looking for Govind outside me. When he is within me, thank you, Gurudev. Now she is saying, first she was looking outside. Now she knows that it is within. Without tracing it, where it is, she is saying it is within. Oh, yeah. Now, if she has found within, she should be happy. The story is finished. Beliefs. Beliefs never allow you to face the reality. Belief should go, belief should be seen as belief, false as false. Believes means you don't know, but you believe in yes or no. And both have no meaning. Knowing has the meaning. मेरा आपको सत सत प्रणाम. When people used to share their spiritual experience, I used to feel I don't have any such experience to share and may have to take several births to have one, but now I feel my being here itself is more than an experience and gaining your love and blessings. See, this is what I call monologue. People are talking to oneself. She is talking to oneself. But I am excused. If I don't read, she will feel bad that I have not read her letter, isn't it? I do not know what shape life will take further. Nobody knows. And have no plans as such, and I also don't know how far I will remember and follow your teachings. I don't know. I also don't know how far I will remember and follow your teaching. You are getting the point in my gestures. Do I really have any teaching, by the way? What I teach? Do I have any teaching? What is my teaching? I don't see any teaching I have. But surely, I surely remember your words once told to me, तुम चलते जाओ रास्ते अपना आप बनता जाएगा. Now she is putting her thinking in my mouth. तुम चलते जाओ. No, Baba, no. You have to stop. चलते जाओ means keep moving, keep going. हाँ ठीक है ना? Keep going, keep going, and the road will be made. हाँ रास्ता रास्ता अपना बन जाएगा. Automatically the path will be there. By the time path will be there, other will be moving. And I never say chalte jao. I say just stop, just be. Where is to move? I just tell you, just be. I even say don't move with your mind. Don't even watch your mind. Don't move that much. You just remember that you are and be. Where I say, but you take your own translations, your own meaning. Then you say, Gurudev, you have said, then Gurudev is responsible. But I will miss the most is your loving eyes, showering blessing all the time, and your beautiful smile with a soft hoja. I have beautiful eyes, loving eyes. So I can love with my eyes. Showering blessings all the time. I also sleep 8 hours. Smile with soft ho jaye. Okay, ho jaye. I would end by praying, please do not leave my hand. If I don't leave, I will be tired. What I will do with your hand? You think I am a public carrier? Please do not leave my hand, and she has a very big hand. I want to leave my hand, if possible, and lead my life further. Shastang Dadvat Pranam. वैशाली दी ग्रेट हो जाए. प्यारे जो कौन आप हो. प्यारे जो कौन आप हो, आपका आप ही को अर्पण. आपका आप ही को अर्पण means your shoes are back to you, your towel is back to you, If you want to arpan something, give your something. He will come and he will take my money and give to me. If you want to give something, give yours. My house is arpan to me. My book is arpan to me. My watch is arpan to me. आपे लिखे आपे पढ़े कहीं मुक्त कहीं बंदी, आप ही की रजा का खेल है सारा, कहीं बैल कहीं नंदी। बैल और नंदी कोई दो चीज नहीं होती भाई, बैल और नंदी एक ही होता है, वही होता है ना, बैल को ही नंदी कहते हैं ना। वो शिव जी का हो गया इसलिए नंदी, कहीं बैल कहीं नंदी। पर जो शिव जी का होता है वो तो पत्थर होता है, वो तो बैल भी नहीं होता। So this is what I call gibberish. Even you cannot express authentically yours. All these words are not yours. आपे लिखे आपे पढ़े कहीं मुक्त कहीं बंदी, आप ही की रजा का खेल है सारा, कहीं बैल कहीं नंदी। Why you are telling me all this? If you have understood, see, this is emptying out, using me as a dustbin. Writing all these kind of things, this kind of stuff, this kind of material. What it means? आगे सुनो। आपे ठग, I am a cheat. आपे दरोगा, I am a police officer. आपे न्यायाधीश, I am also a magistrate. वारे तेरी करनी सारी. This is all your projection, sir. What you are saying, nothing true. Neither I am a cheat, nor I am a policeman, nor I am a magician. I am simple fellow हो जाए type. Just हो जाए. This is me. वारे तेरी करनी सारी. I do nothing. What I do? Nothing. You do. That is why you perceive me as a doer. खुद ही को झुकाए अपना शीश। अगर मैं अपना शीश खुद को झुकाऊंगा तो गिर पड़ूंगा। शीश काय के लिए झुकाना? शीश को फेंक दिया है उठा के, शीश को रखोगे तो वही तो सारी बीमारी है। खुद ही को झुकाए अपना शीश, पता नहीं कहां कहां से कचरा आदमी इकट्ठा कर लेता है। और कैसे झुकाएंगे? जरा झुका के दिखा अपना शीश अपने को, एकदम से खुड़बाजी कहा जाएगा। आपे हमें दौड़ाए मालिक, आपे मंगवाता मुक्ति, आपे गुरु चरण में बिठाए हमको और वहीं पर रख दी तृप्ति। क्या ज्ञानियों जैसी बातें। गुरुदेव आप कौन हो, क्या हो, ये तो हर समझ से ऊपर है, मगर इतना जरूर बताएं कि ऐसी कौन सी समय जब पखाने आके एक बार जलकर होता। पखाना लिखा है, मैं क्या करूं, मैं तो वही पढ़ूंगा जो लिखा है। पखाना समझते हो? पखाने नहीं समझते? परवाने, जहां परवाने एक बार चलकर क्षमा बनकर और परवानों के लिए बार बार जल जाते हैं। इस क्षमा को प्रणाम, इन परवानों के सौभाग्य को प्रणाम। इस क्षमा परवाने का क्या रचने वाले को बस एक चुप्पी, संपूर्ण परिपूर्ण चुप्पी। चलो वो बुरा ना माने तो चुप्पी के साथ जोड़ देंगे एक पप्पी। Just look at this. From this corner, yes, he's so miser. He cannot leave a space. If it was possible, he would have started from here. And up to the very end. When you write to me, you show a lot about you. There are people, though I don't know how to read handwriting, and there are handwriting readers. They come to know what kind of person you are through the handwriting. But this person I can express without reading that. Huh? He is full, you see, full. And lot of spelling mistake. Whosoever G. Yes, sir. Please, sir. अद्भुत आपका रचा देवलोक और इस लोक के लोग, जहां दास हुए बिना सिंह, नदी और सिंह हुए बिना दास नहीं हुआ जा सकता। सिंह, सिंह को लिखा है सिंह। जहां दास हुए बिना सिंह नहीं और सिंह हुए बिना दास नहीं हुआ जा सकता, और दोनों छूटे बिना होना नहीं आ सकता। He is already enlightened. आप ही की रजा पूरी हो। आप ही का आपको अर्पण हो। आपका निर्मल। I am saying disown, and he is making me honor. आपका निर्मल. What I am going to do with such a shit? आपका निर्मल. No. Keep it to yourself. I am saying be yourself. Why you make a ownership? There is no thought in whatever we think, we do. A little entry is needed. आपका निर्मल. Why? I disown you. I cannot own myself. How I can own you? And why I should own you? You think you have done a great job, but this kind of great job you are doing all the time. Become aware, brother. Just wake up. हो जाए बाबा. कितने बजे जाता है वहाँ? 4:30. Okay, last one. Beloved whosoever, can you see a possibility of a disciple in Masto? Yes. Masto. There is no possibility because you are already a disciple. And that is what is required. The most arduous phenomena on this planet Earth is to be a disciple. Disciple simply means ready to learn. Can you see a possibility of a disciple in Muslim? You are blessed, you are already a disciple. You just continue with it. If not, then what is the point for him to stay? See, when you asked, I immediately responded, you can stay. Then you said, you have no money. I said, okay, you give me whenever you have. You can give me when I am already gone from, okay? Money is no problem. That is just a small device. It depends. But don't think, Anirudh, Anibuddh, आपके लिए बात नहीं कर रहा मैं. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about Masta only. If yes, with love, he welcomes the master to use all the tools and situation that are needed. That is discipleship. Only a disciple can dare to say that. And when you are saying it, you mean it. If yes, with love, he welcomes the master. But remember, from your side, you may see me as a master. But from my side, I'm your friend. Now it is up to you. You want to remain a disciple and treat yourself as a disciple and me as a master. But from my side, it is totally obvious that I don't behave like a master. I am just a friend. But when I am a friend, I give a chance to other to take it for granted. When you take me a friend, then you lose something. But that I leave on you. Just being a disciple is more than important. To me, master is never important. Master is just like a river. You come, bring your utensil, take the water as big the utensils you have, and go. River just keep on flowing. Everything what needs to be done or undone, learn or unlearn, goes in the area of a disciple. You are most welcome. You are going to be here. Unless you change your mind, I have not changed my mind. With love, trust, and gratitude. Jai Osho. Jai Osho. Jai Osho. Jai Osho. Jai Jai Osho. Jai Jai Osho. Jai Jai Osho. तेरी रजा पूरी हो. Thy will be done. तेरी रजा पूरी हो. Thy will be done. तेरी रजा पूरी हो. Thy will be done.